Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Medela Quick Clean Micro Steam Bags. Kind of small, but nice to have when you don't feel like getting out a pot to boil water to sanitize parts. She cleans them with the Medela Quick Clean Breast Milk Removal, and then puts them in a bag, adds like 4 ounces. An excellent option for anyone who doesn't want an electric steam sanitizer taking up counter space. These sanitizer bags are a wonderful invention. Though they are primarily marketed for breast pump parts, they work for bottles, pacifiers, small toys, etc. 5 minutes in the microwave, and everything is sterile. What a wonderful time saver for a new mom. Love these. Wish sterilizing bottle, pacifiers, and pump parts was always this easy. All you do is put them in the bag, add 2 ounces of water, and microwave for the appropriate time according to your microwave. The spout on the side where you can pour the water out before opening is nice. It holds a full set of Medela pumping gear combined with a couple small bottles easily. In the dishwasher, since sometimes they come out full of dishwasher water if somehow ended up upside down, and once in a while after running through the dishwasher some items may end up with a soapy residue, and need to be rinsed, or rewashed. It's quick and easy, and definitely gives the peace of mind that your supplies are clean. Very satisfied with it, and it also dries faster when steaming on the bag. You can steam bottles too than on the Philips hard plastic steamer. Such an easy way to sanitize. The only thing that would be nicer is if the bags were bigger. Once you put your breast shields in there from your pumping equipment, you don't have that much room left for anything else. These bags make cleaning parts at work so much easier. It works great, and quickly. Medela bags close easily and securely, and the side hold to pour water out of actually works too. These are such a great, quick, easy way to clean all sorts of baby-related items. You can do approximately 3 sets of bottles, nipples, or a full set of pump parts. It's really quick, and easy, and practical, so you don't have to boil shiz all the time, which is a huge pain. Limited amount of bottles and pumps can be placed in the bag and steamed at once, so you end up taking about the same amount of time to boil 6 bottles and pump supplies. These come in packs with more than 1 bag, so it's easy to do rounds of steaming. Good product. They do exactly what they are supposed to do, but there's nothing amazing about them. They fold up and fit nicely in the diaper bag and make it easy to sanitize while away from home. There's a nice little countdown on the bag that you can mark off to keep track. No more boiling large pots of water that leave bad icky water residue all over the bottles. Any mom who has pacifiers, bottles, breaker feeding materials needs these. You don't have time to boil or hand wash everything. These bags are wonderful for sterilizing your breast pumping equipment without investing a lot of money in accessories, which also take up lots of counter space. Brown's bags also, but they don't hold as much, and the closing snap part is difficult to close. These are also great for anything that needs to be sterilized: bottle nipples, pacifiers, etc. These bags are wonderful for sanitizing new passes and nipples out of the package, and of course for pump parts. The only drawback is that it doesn't hold so many bottles and spare parts at the same time. Capacity is good for a double set of pumping equipment, or a couple of bottles. If you have a lot of milk saved up, or planning to, it would be a good buy, but really these aren't needed if you have a baby that eats a ton. Bottles, nipples, bottle rings, pacifiers, breast milk bottles, and tubing, silicone ice cube trays for baby food. Super easy to take with you if you are traveling with baby in hotels that might not have enough space for dishwasher or kitchenette. Be careful to read your microwave settings so you do not steam your pieces for too long and wreck them. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.